Adding and subtracting fractions on Math Visions. When the denominators are the same, in this case 5, it will be the denominator in our answer as well. We then proceed to add the numerators 2 and 1 to each other and write the result, 3, over the denominator in our answer. Therefore, 2/5 plus 1/5 is 3/5. What about 6/7 minus 1/7? Again, since the denominators are the same, this will be the denominator in our answer. However, this time we subtract the second numerator from the first and get 6 minus 1 equals 5. We write this over the denominator in our answer. Therefore, 6/7 minus 1/7 equals 5/7. Now, what if the denominators are different? Let's look at our next example, 1/2 plus 3/8. Our first step is to find the lowest common multiple between denominators, also called the lowest common denominator, or LCD. When we look at the multiplication tables of 2 and 8, we'll find that the multiples are in the answer column of each table. We see that 2 times 4 is 8, and that 8 times 1 is also 8. Therefore, 8 is the lowest common multiple. Let's start with 1/2. Since we had to multiply 2 by 4 to get 8, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 4. Therefore, our fraction 1/2 becomes 4/8. If you look at our visualization, you'll see that 1/2 and 4/8 have the same amount of shaded area, just cut into a different amount of pieces. Now let's look at our second fraction, 3/8. Since we had to multiply 8 by 1 to get 8, we can leave this fraction the same, since multiplying the numerator and denominator by 1 would just give us the same thing anyway. We will now rewrite 1/2 plus 3/8 as 4/8 plus 3/8. Since the denominators are now the same, this will also be the denominator in our answer. We add the numerators as normal and arrive at 7. We write this over the denominator in our answer. Therefore, 1/2 plus 3/8 reconfigured as 4/8 plus 3/8 equals 7/8. Let's do one more, 2/3 plus 1/4. What is our next step? If you said find the lowest common multiple between denominators 3 and 4, you're right. Looking at our multiplication tables for 3 and 4, we see that 12 is the smallest multiple these numbers have in common. Let's convert our first fraction 2/3 to 12ths. Since we had to multiply 3 by 4 to get 12, we multiplied the numerator and denominator by 4. This gives us 8/12ths. Again, you will notice that the shaded area is the same between 2/3 and 8/12ths. We then convert the next fraction, 1/4, into 12ths. Since we had to multiply 4 by 3 to get 12, we multiply the numerator and denominator by 3 and get 3/12ths. Now, we rewrite our expression as 8/12ths plus 3/12ths and arrive at 11/12ths as our answer, since 8 plus 3 equals 11. Well, that's a wrap for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my knowledge building exercises, link below in the description. I look forward to meeting with you right here next time on Math Visions.